Are you watching the workers? The 회사 company? I think they could see us.
They don't.
They could easily see us. Maybe. Good morning. No. It's raining. Hey, little one. Is it hard? Here.
Well, how do you do it?
Ow. Go. I'll open it. I'll go. Yeah, I got it. Go. Hard. Now. Let's go. Behind. Bye.
How about you, Jackson? Did you want it?
Are you scared? No? What is that thing? Hey, bud. Yeah.
It's not like
One of the body.
Maybe the body like just pattern like this, right?
It's big, huh? Bigger than Oh, look at her, his ears. Pet him, pet him.
Why is he doing that? Hello? Oh. Go ahead. Their chances.
Wow. Yeah, he's very good.
What are their names? Oh, dark hair.
Hey, bud.
아침 야채 먹겠구나.
하루 종일 근데 조금씩 줘야.
Is it like Roden family?
It's moving. How much?
It's an example.
Think about it. They make weird sound, huh?
I think he's full or something.
It's full? Is it boy or girl?
I think it's a boy.
It's a boy?
I just keep doing that.
I don't know.
want to know their names.
You want
Corn?
carrots.
Because on their Instagram, I know their names are there.
Your phone. I'm just doing a belly.
Belly rub? Rubbing?
Yeah, I'm rubbing the belly. It kind of feels like I'm waking him up.
Yeah. That feels good.
Yeah. Are we gonna get some relatives?
달래.
You only see my finger.
I know.
Go.
Yeah.
오, sorry.
It's heavy, right?
나를 빨리 줘. Give me more. Give me more. We have more.
Okay, that's it.
진짜 that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
So heavy. Like he has it.
No, hey, here. Put it here so he can come to you, like far away. You gotta feel how heavy it is.
No. I don't like when he's.
No, he's coming up. Not
On mommy, not you.
up here. 그래야지.
Up, that up.
I have to still. I thought he was gonna bite my finger.
It's not gonna bite you, like.
Okay, I think that's it. That's it. That's it.
간다.
Hey.
알아. 찍었는데 나는.
Did you get what? A little bit? Good.
I'm the luckiest kid.
Let me see. Can you show me? Yay! You won! Yep. And what was the last word? Okay.
1, 2, 2, 6.
Open. Oh, you remembered.
I remember.
Wow. Good memory.
4, 2, 2,
6.
6.
Luck. Yeah. Okay, good. We have a safe.